Meaning of disconcerted.
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 Disconcerted. The word disconcerted means to feel unsettled, bewildered, or confused. When someone is disconcerted, they may feel uneasy or uncertain about a situation. This could result in them feeling off balance or unsure about how to respond. They may become flustered or distracted, leading to mistakes or missteps. Disconcertion may also impact their ability to communicate effectively, causing them to stumble over their words or struggle to express themselves. Ultimately, feeling disconcerted can leave a person feeling vulnerable or exposed, as though they lack control over their surroundings.